Hello everyone. Before starting, let me introduce myself. Hello, my name is Muhammad Reva Fitra Rahmawan. You can call me Reva. I'm from the Indonesian Language and Literature Education at 11 Maret University. Here, I want to tell you about democracy in Indonesia. Democracy is Indonesia's current system of government, apart from being a democratic system. It is also a way of life for the nation. The way of living as a nation is meant to be like the meaning of democracy itself. For the people, by the people. One of the characteristics of a democratic way of life is to put the interests of others first. But in this technological era, caring behavior for others is disappearing and everyone's individualism is getting higher. Apart from that, there is also the issue of democracy. Democracy, which means that the supreme power is in the hand of the people. Now seems blurry. This is evidenced by the limited criticism from the public of the government chosen by the people themselves. The lack of transparency in the way the government works makes people increasingly doubtful. This gap and shortcoming must be immediately taken up by restoring people's trust, being more honest and transparent, and most importantly, every government decision must think about the people by considering the interests of the people. Democracy as a system for the Indonesian state is a very important aspect for the country and its content. But in today's life, there are various deviations from the meaning of democracy itself. Democracy, which has the main meaning of power in the hands of the people, began to experience a shift. The shift that is often seen is the lack of transparency in the general election used to elect the next people leader. This lack of transparency occurs because of the large number of bribes that occur. Eventually, the people themselves are waiting for bribes given by the chosen party. If at the time of the election there was a deviation, how would a people representative carry out his duties? It is necessary to pay attention again to the above matter, the importance of education citizens so they the refuse brief and elect representative of the people honestly and appropriately so that there will be no change in the future. Meanwhile, candidates for people representative who take part in election need to be reminded again about ethics in their work. Because fact they have forgotten the democratic system and the democratic way of life itself, where they should not be selfish and put more importance on the interests of the wider people. In the example of the above democracy above, it can be concluded that government officials or some citizens have completely forgotten about democracy as the system of Indonesian state itself. Lecturer of the Department of Political Science, Faculty of Social and Political Science, Padjadjaran University, Dr. Caroline Pascarina, said that the quality of Indonesian democracy in 2021 will decline compared to 2019, based on data from the Indonesian Democracy Index, data from the Central Statistics Agency. There are many studies that describe the causes of the decline in democracy. Some of these include regular reports from the Economic Intelligence Unit, the Indonesian Democracy Index, and the 2021 Democracy Report, which show significant reduction in civil liberties, pluralism, and government function. So, it is necessary to hold reform to create a country that is in accordance with the principle of a democratic state itself. As well as positive public support is also very helpful for the restoration of democracy in Indonesia.